friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve call recording problem on Vivo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly what you need to do is that you have to move on setting. Okay, after that you have to scroll, no need to scroll, just click on the search bar and search for the reset. Okay, just search for the reset and move on this reset all settings. When you move on reset all settings, just click on this reset Wi-Fi and mobile Bluetooth. Click on reset again, you have to click on reset. After that your call recording problem will be solved on your mobile phone. If by doing this it doesn't solve, then you have to move on Play Store and check whether, just move on profile. Okay, then click on this manage app and devices. From here see detail, then from here you have to update all this. Okay, update all. Okay, after you have been update all and by doing this also it doesn't solve, then you have to move on setting again, search bar, then click on reset. Here you have to move on the down, reset all settings, then here click on erase all data. Before we doing this, what you need to do is that friends, firstly you have to backup your photos, videos, WhatsApp documents and files to another device or into into drive. Okay, then select the Google account and click on erase all data. This will be solved easily. So friends, if by doing this also it doesn't solve, then you want to solve it, right? So firstly you have to move on service center, or if it's not near to you, then you have to move on this local shop, okay, to fix the software problem. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.